Okay, so now I'm going to further explain what is the 10. Okay, I explained on the previous video that a 10, okay, is the 10, T-E-N-T-H, is actually equals to 1 out of 10, okay, which is actually a fraction, okay, and which is also equals to 0.1. Okay, so what actually is a 10? 10, okay, a tenth, right, or let's say you have a decimal, a 10 is actually one way of representing a part, okay, like how a fraction, okay, how a fraction is represents a part, okay. So 1 out of 10 is actually, let's say I have a bar of chocolate and I split it into 10 parts, right? Here I split it to 10 parts. Okay. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay, and this is this is 1/10. Okay, the drawing isn't exactly clear, but pretend I split this bar into 10 equal parts, and 1/10 is, okay, 1 out of 10 is actually 0.1, or you can also say that is 1 out of 10. Okay, so a decimal, okay, or a tenth, okay, or let's say 0.1 is actually one way of representing a part. Okay, so like let's say you have a number, right? Let's say I got 321 apples, okay, and if let's say I have a decimal point here and I put a 1, okay, this is in the 10th place, right? T-E-N-T-H-S, this is in the 10th place, okay. This point 1, okay, is in a 10th place. So this, okay, anything behind the decimal point, okay, is considered a part. So these are all whole numbers, right? Because they are in front of the decimal point. Anything behind the decimal point, okay, is a representing a part. So this means, okay, this actually means, okay, behind the decimal point, okay, this actually means, okay, that the apple, okay, is split into 10 parts, okay, into 10 parts, and 0.1, okay, it is actually 1 out of 10 of a part, okay. So yes, and important thing to know is that whenever you have a decimal, let's say 0.123, okay, the nearer the number is to the decimal, okay, the 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 less the number of parts that is split, okay. What do I mean? Okay, so 0.1 actually represents 1 out of 10, okay. So it's actually 1 part out of 10, whereas this, okay, where it's further from the decimal, is actually okay, no, this is not a good example. Okay, okay, pretend I have a decimal this like that, okay. So no, pretend I have a decimal 0.1, and let's say versus a decimal that is let me scroll down here. Let's say I have a decimal 0.1 versus a decimal 0.01, okay. The further the number is to the decimal point, the what do you call it, the smaller it is. Why? I say again, the further the number is to the decimal point, okay, the further the number to the decimal point, the smaller the number. Why? Simply because, okay, this is cut into 100 parts, and this, okay, is actually the 10th place, right? It's cut only into 10 parts, okay. So this is called a tenth, okay, tenth, okay. This is called 10th place, and this is called the 100th place, okay. I think you can somehow now see the link now, okay, that this is out of 10, this is out of 100, and yeah, the further it is, okay, the further the number is to the decimal point, okay, the smaller it is. Why? Because it's cut into 100 parts, while this is only cut into 10 parts.